What if food could grow without soil, sunlight, or even a single drop of rain? Imagine skyscrapers stacked with crops, glowing under pink and purple lights, operating more like high-tech factories than traditional farms. Across the world, futuristic vertical farms are transforming agriculture by controlling temperature, humidity, carbon dioxide, water, and nutrients. These systems produce up to 300 times more food per square foot, while using 90 to 95% less water than conventional fields. In this video, we'll explore the most advanced vertical farms, from Dubai's desert facilities to automated skyscrapers in China and Singapore, and see how technology is reshaping the future of food. Are you ready to step inside these high-tech farming marvels? Let's go. The technology behind vertical farms. Futuristic vertical farms operate more like laboratories in traditional fields, relying on precise technology to control every aspect of plant growth. Hydroponics and aeroponics allow plants to grow without soil, with roots suspended in nutrient-rich water or mist. These systems let farmers stack crops vertically, dramatically increasing production per square foot while ensuring each plant receives exactly what it needs to thrive. Lighting plays a crucial role in these indoor farms, with pink and purple LED spectrums replacing natural sunlight. Each wavelength is tailored to optimize photosynthesis for specific plant types, which means crops can grow faster, healthier, and more consistently than in the open field. Controlled environment agriculture, or CEA, adds another layer of precision, allowing farms to monitor and adjust temperature, humidity, and carbon dioxide levels constantly. This integration of hydroponics, specialized lighting, and climate control creates predictable yields and reduces risk from weather, pests, or drought. Vertical farms are now a hybrid of agriculture and high-tech engineering, where data and automation dictate crop health and growth, turning the act of farming into a highly optimized system. Eco1 Dubai UAE. Eco1 in Dubai covers over 330,000 square feet near Al Maktoum International Airport and is designed to produce more than 2 million pounds of leafy greens annually. Entering the facility feels less like stepping onto a farm and more like walking into a futuristic laboratory. Vertical racks of vibrant green stretch as far as the eye can see, and every plant is meticulously monitored. This desert farm addresses a critical need, offsetting Dubai's dependence on imported vegetables while demonstrating that even arid regions can host high-yield agriculture. Advanced water recycling and nutrient dosing ensure that nothing is wasted, and the plants thrive year-round regardless of the harsh outside climate. Visitors describe ECO1 as a living example of how technology can transform barren environments into productive, food-supplying hubs. The farm also showcases the value of precision data, tracking each plant's growth and health in real time to ensure consistent quality. By combining scale with careful management, ECO1 proves that vertical farms can be both massive and efficient, offering lessons for future urban food systems. Bustanica, Dubai UAE. Bustanica, powered by Emirates Crop One, represents one of the most advanced examples of sustainable, automated vertical farming in the world. The facility specializes in producing fresh, pesticide-free salad mixes that are delivered directly to airline catering lines and local supermarkets, ensuring urban consumers receive vegetables at peak freshness. Every tray of greens is continuously monitored by sensors, and water is recirculated through highly efficient systems. This careful management conserves resources while providing plants with precisely balanced nutrients, creating optimal growth conditions and consistent crop quality. The farm emphasizes speed and reliability, harvesting and shipping produce faster than traditional supply chains can manage. Automation reduces the need for manual labor, while intelligent lighting and nutrient systems adjust in real time to the specific growth stage of each plant. The facility operates like a precision-controlled ecosystem, combining high-tech innovation with environmental responsibility. Bustanica demonstrates the power of data-driven agriculture, showing how vertical farms can consistently serve niche markets with high-quality produce. The farm also highlights the economic potential of indoor farming in regions where traditional agriculture is constrained by water scarcity, extreme heat, or desert conditions. By integrating automation, resource efficiency, and urban-scale production, Bustanica offers a glimpse into future food, efficient, sustainable, and fully capable of feeding cities with fresh, nutritious crops year-round. 80 Acres Farms, United States. In the United States, 80 Acres Farms operates fully automated multi-story warehouses equipped with Siemens digital transformation technology. Robotic systems handle everything from seeding to harvesting, allowing the farm to produce leafy greens and herbs continuously all year long. The facility relies on stacked vertical racks that maximize space and lighting that is optimized for each crop type. Inside, the workflow is almost entirely automated, with seedling trays moving through each stage under precise environmental conditions. Farmers can monitor growth, adjust nutrient delivery, and schedule harvest without leaving control room. This level of automation ensures consistent output and reduces the unpredictability that comes with outdoor farming. The farm demonstrates how technology and robotics can replace traditional labor while maintaining exceptional quality and yield. By producing pesticide-free crops and managing every variable, 80 Acres Farms exemplifies a fully integrated, precision-driven agricultural model that urban centers can adopt for local, reliable food production. Automated skyscraper farms, China and Singapore. In urban centers like China and Singapore, multi-story skyscraper farms are redefining city agriculture. Some towers reach up to 20 stories high, integrating AI networks that monitor every plant in real time and adjust growing conditions to match demand. These facilities operate like living factories, producing food on schedule with minimal waste. The skyscraper farms optimize light, nutrients, temperature, and humidity for each crop type. Plants are grown in modular systems, and data from sensors drives automated decisions, creating custom growth models that reduce energy consumption and maximize yield. Urban vertical farms like these cut transportation needs drastically, supplying fresh produce to local populations while avoiding the environmental cost of shipping food across continents. AI integration allows for built-to-order growth, predicting exactly how much produce is needed for consumers or commercial buyers. In these cities, vertical farms are not just about producing food. They are about creating a responsive, high-tech agricultural ecosystem that meets urban demand efficiently and sustainably. Architectural advantages versus traditional farms. Futuristic vertical farms drastically reduce water use through recirculation systems, cutting consumption by 90 to 95% compared to open-field agriculture. Pesticides are not required, eliminating chemical exposure and producing healthier crops. Vertical stacking allows more food production per square foot, shrinking land requirements and making urban implementation feasible. Being fully enclosed, these farms are immune to droughts, floods, or extreme weather. However, energy demand is high since LED lights, HVAC systems, and water pumps require constant electricity. Despite this, yields are predictable, quality is consistent, and labor needs are minimized. Vertical farms also allow precise monitoring of each plant, ensuring that growth and nutrition are optimized. These systems provide a level of control impossible in outdoor farming, turning agriculture into a combination of engineering, software, and biology. Economic and environmental impact. Vertical farms reduce food imports, cut waste, and bring fresh produce closer to urban populations. Producing food locally lowers transportation emissions and ensures that vegetables and herbs reach consumers at peak freshness. Energy intensive as they are, these farms offset environmental costs by dramatically reducing water usage, eliminating chemical pesticides, and optimizing yields. By integrating automation, sensors, and data-driven management, cities can produce food efficiently while protecting scarce resources. The environmental impact extends beyond sustainability. Urban vertical farms also stabilize food supply chains, improve nutrition access, and provide economic opportunities in high-density areas. By combining technology, efficiency, and sustainability, these farms represent a new model for global agriculture, the future of vertical farming. Vertical farms are transforming agriculture from a land-based industry into a high-tech, software-driven system. With robotics, AI, and precision sensors, cities may see farms operating like computers, growing crops efficiently regardless of climate or space. These facilities are already showing that food production can become more sustainable, reliable, and scalable in urban centers. The combination of stacked growth, controlled lighting, and automated care allows farmers to produce consistent, high-quality crops year-round. As technology continues to improve, Vertical farms could replace a significant portion of traditional farmland in cities, reducing dependence on imports, improving food security, and creating localized agricultural networks. They represent a visionary approach to feeding growing urban populations efficiently and responsibly. There you have it, a closer look inside the most futuristic vertical farms in the world. From Dubai's massive desert facilities to skyscraper farms in Singapore and China, these operations combine technology, automation, and precision to produce food like never before. Traditional farming still matters, but vertical farms offer a glimpse into the future. Pesticide-free, water-efficient, and high-yield crops grown in urban environments year-round. If this video inspired you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into futuristic agriculture and high-tech food production.